Don't mess this up, Mikey.
Send it!
Oh! Holy shit!
Today is the day. Mayhem's about to happen.
World record waterfall Thrasher jump.
Oh yeah.
23
RC.
Yeah, buddy.
Infinity. Captain
We got
Mike
this. We got
making the
this.
launch.
Start here and do this angle across. Right? You can start here but go right down the middle. It's even more like this. The pool's way over here. So if you go straight down the middle of the river and straight off, it'll hit this rock.
Yep, I got you.
That way, not that way. No, like when you're standing, the river does like a turn. The river goes like this at the last second. Button, it takes 5 seconds and then it's recording.
I'm using this?
Yeah. Let's get a full test here.
Power button on the wheel.
Oh.
Do you think we're gonna get fined, Tom? Mike, how you feeling?
Ooh,
wait a
shaking
minute.
like me, man. Here we are, guys. Oh, okay. This is crazy. Crazy town.
Here we are setting up for the world record Thrasher waterfall jump, Brandywine Falls.
Okay, we just hiked down an entire mountainside with some cliffs and ropes to get to the bottom of this waterfall. To get the Thrasher jumping off the waterfall, I can now see the falls. I'm tired. This is hectic.
Okay.
This might be the most dumb thing we've ever done. My goodness, what are we doing? This is what Mike's gonna jump off of. A Thrasher's gonna come off of that river, hoping to hit that pool. And look at this, we're surrounded by cliffs. Oh, you can't even see how high that is. Woo! Nervous.
Hey.
Hey, he said it's good to go.
It's good to go?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Okay. It's showtime, brothers. Okay.
Got it.
Launch time.
Send it!
Okay. Don't mess this up, Mikey.
Oh! Holy shit! Throttle, throttle! Throttle, throttle. This is after the jump. This Thrasher just went off a 100-foot waterfall, 120 feet. And we're gonna see if it can rip. It's going! The boat's still working! It's going! The boat's still working! Holy shit! Bring it back! Bring it back!
Yeah. Still working. Wow, amazing. Wow, that's crazy, bro.
No!
No damage, no
230-foot drop.
230 foot drop.
Perfect Thrasher.
That's 230?
Yeah.